What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. If you already subscribed, I appreciate you coming back. In today's video I've got Balenciaga Track 2 sneakers. These are my sister's birthday gift. So before she wear them, I needed to make a quick video for you guys. Let's unbox and see what they look like. Comes with the dust bag. They also got some manual and extra pair of laces. They're the same color. So this track's made of 62% of polyurethane and 38% of polyester. So they're 100% non-leather sneaker. Let's take the paper. I will also ask my sister to wear them for the on fit at the end of the video. So stick around. So these tracks too are the same sneakers, just different colorway of the one I made 7 months ago, where I unboxed and compared them to track 1s. I will link it here so you can check it out after you finish watching this video, and also I will leave the link in the description so you can check that video out too. As you can see, it's pretty interesting looking shoe, a lot going on. These are made of 176 laser cut pieces. They're also made in China. The price on this were £650. When they were first released, the price was $595. Then it was increased all the way to $615, and now it's £650. I will put somewhere on the screen how much it's in dollars. Let's take a closer look. They were purchased from Balenciaga store. So here in the front there's a Balenciaga logo embroidered. There is no sizing on track 2s. On the track 1 you'll be able to see the number, so that number indicates the size of the shoe. So it's missing here on the side. The back is too bright here. Balenciaga embroidered on the back. Also Balenciaga over here. You can see through the shoes there's a little net. So these are pretty summer shoe, but my girlfriend been wearing hers through the winter times and they're really comfy. If you want me to make a video about them after 7 months or 8 months, let me know in the comments. She been loving those shoes, wearing them every day. when you look at them, you can't really tell that they're comfortable, but they are. That's the bottom. Balenciaga. There's a little plastic panel here through the bottom. So 650 pounds. And the same with this one. They look pretty chunky, but they're not as heavy as the Track's one. So these are UK 6. The ankle part well padded. Inside, this is Balenciaga, so really well ventilated shoe, I must say. Look at these holes. So in my opinion, they look pretty cool, chunky, but that's what people like these days. Not all, but a lot of people. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it. If I missed something, or if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. You can reach me through my email, through my Instagram. I will leave all this information on the screen and also in the description. So yeah, that's gonna be it. If you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? And I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Trio.